Stainless steel chafing dishes are a must-have for any buffet or catering event. There are many products available to choose stainless steel chafing dishes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best stainless steel chafing dishes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 7014 Gray 4-Pack 8QT Chafing Dish. The Alpha Living 7014 Gray 4-Pack 8QT Chafing Dish Set keeps your food warm and ready with top-quality stainless steel frame and body. Its convenient structure includes 2 fuel holders, full-size pan tray, and lid. The chafing dish has handles to ensure that the product can be moved with ease. The foldable frame comes with fold-able legs made with thicker stainless steel to ensure that its frame is effective and your food is well supported. It is easy to clean and maintain, rust-resistant, and ensures long durability. Number 2. Rovsun 8QT 2-Pack Full-Size Stainless Steel Chafing Dishes Buffet Set. Rovsun Chafing Dishes Set is the perfect choice for your buffet, catering, and food service needs. With its 2 mm thick food-grade stainless steel construction, it ensures safety and longevity. The set includes 2 folding frames, 4 safety fuel holders, 2 water pans, 2 food pans, and 2 covers. The bottom tray supports 2 fuel holders to heat food and keep it at the perfect temperature, while the water pan can be filled with ice to cool food down. The foldable frame is easy to set up and store, and the round design and hollow handles prevent scalding or injury. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Number 3. Valgus 2-Pack 8QT Stainless Steel Chafing Dish. The Valgus 2-Pack 8QT Stainless Steel Chafing Dish Buffet Chafer Set comes with a complete set of accessories, including 2 full-size trays, 4 medium-size food trays, 2 lids with handle, a pair of gloves, a slotted spoon and serving tongs. It is made of commercial-grade food-grade stainless steel and rust-proof material, ensuring durability and long service life. The set can keep the food temperature, and it is easy to clean and store. Suitable for professional catering companies, home use, restaurants, buffets, catering, and events. Number 4. Nova Microdermabrasion 4-Pack Chafing Dish. The Nova Microdermabrasion 4-Pack Chafing Dish Buffet Set is a versatile and durable catering warmer set, perfect for parties, dinners, catering, buffets, and weddings. With its generous 8QT capacity, it can hold large amounts of food, making it ideal for various occasions. The stainless steel chafers are designed with convenience in mind, with the ability to hold the lid in an upright position while serving food in beveled legs for optimum stability. The bottom tray can support 2 fuel burners, maintaining the temperature of the food for extended periods of time while ensuring safety. The mirror finish gives it an attractive look, and the stackable design allows for easy transport and storage. Cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-wash design. The Nova Chafing Dish Set is a reliable and affordable choice for anyone looking to display and keep food warm. Number 5. Dervapa's 2-Pack 5QT Chafing Dish Buffet Set. Dervapa's Chafing Dish Buffet Set is perfect for hosting buffet-style meals at family parties, business caterings, buffets, or weddings. Made of food-grade stainless steel with a mirror finish, these round chafers are not only elegant but also safe to use. The set includes 2 chafing dishes with a capacity of 4.5 quarts each, providing plenty of space to hold food. The stainless steel construction makes it easy to clean, as the food pan, water pan, and cover are all dishwasher safe. The dish's design prevents scalding or injury, ensuring the safety of your guests. With the ability to maintain proper food temperature for hours, you can keep your food warm and well presented throughout the entire event. The glass lid adds an elegant touch to the buffet table and allows guests to easily see the dish being served. The removable lid holder provides a convenient place to put the lid while your guests are getting food. Get ready to impress your guests with this stylish and functional chafing dish buffet set. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.